In today's video, I'll show you on how you can install anti-cheat plugin on Aternos server. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the Aternos server website right here, and once inside, you want to simply click on the software button. Now you only have to do this if you don't have the plugin options right here, but for most first-time users, you simply want to head over to software, click on the paper book kit, or you can click any option right here that has the for plugin option. Basically with that, you can just click your Minecraft version, click on the install button, and the plugins category will now appear on your server. Inside, you then want to type anti-cheat. You can then choose specific anti-cheat if you want to, but in my case, I'm going to select the most common one, which is going to be anti-cheat, prevention of hacks and other malicious tinkering on a Minecraft server. Inside, you can just do the same thing, which is to select your plugin version. I'm going to select the latest one, which is from 2014. Now, if you see the check mark button, it means that you have successfully installed an anti-cheat plugin on your Aternos server. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.